has filed a police complaint against BJP National General Secretary BL Santhosh over his remarks comparing former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru with VD Savarkar. The party has also urged the Karnataka government to initiate legal action against the spread of misinformation, defamatory content and propaganda targeting Congress leaders and freedom fighters on online platforms. In a complaint lodged at the High Grounds police station in Bengaluru, Bengaluru West District Congress Committee Vice President Kushal Haruvegowda alleged that Santhosh's comparison between Nehru and Savarkar distorted historical facts and undermined Nehru's contributions to the nation. According to the complaint, the circulation of unverified or misleading historical claims has the potential to create misconception among the public, disturb communal and social harmony, and weaken the dignity of national leaders. The complaint further urged the authorities to take appropriate legal action to prevent the spread of such content and curb the circulation of misinformation and defamatory materials directed at Congress leaders and freedom fighters. Meanwhile, Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee General Secretary S. Manohar submitted a representation to Karnataka Home Minister Priyank Kharge. He alleged that individuals identifying themselves as BJP members were spreading false information against Congress leaders, freedom fighters, and other eminent personalities. The Congress maintained that action should be taken against those responsible for disseminating misleading or defamatory content online, arguing that such activities could negatively impact public understanding of history and affect communal and social harmony. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.